You need maintenance software. Manufacturing maintenance software is the digital backbone of your operation. Get it right, and you boost productivity, efficiency, and your bottom line. Today, we'll break down the essential features that separate great maintenance software from the rest. Let's get into it. If the software is hard to use, your team won't use it, period. A clean, intuitive UI means faster adoption, less training, and fewer mistakes. The dashboard should show what's urgent, what's next, and make navigation seamless. Every click should have a purpose, making daily tasks easier, not harder. When evaluating software, ask, is this simple? Is it logical? If not, move on. So, you've got a system that's easy to use. Next, you need preventive maintenance, automated scheduling that keeps you ahead of breakdowns. Set up PMs for every asset, triggered by time, usage, or condition. The software generates work orders automatically so nothing gets missed. This reduces downtime, extends equipment life, and saves money. Preventive maintenance is about playing offense, not defense. Now, let's shift our focus and talk about a core function that drives efficiency and organization in maintenance operations. We're diving into work order management. It's the backbone of any successful maintenance program. Digital work orders meticulously track every maintenance task from start to finish, detailing exactly what's wrong with the equipment, specifying who's assigned to the task, ensuring accountability, and identifying precisely what parts are needed to complete the repair or maintenance procedure. Maintenance requests are seamlessly submitted through the system, then intelligently prioritized based on urgency and impact, and efficiently assigned to the right technician, all managed in one centralized place. Technicians can update the work order status in real time, providing immediate visibility into progress, accurately logging their hours spent on each task, and meticulously tracking the parts used for each job. Once completed, work orders become a permanent part of the asset's maintenance history, creating a valuable data trail that informs future maintenance strategies and decisions. This structured approach ensures that no task is overlooked and nothing falls through the cracks, leading to more efficient and effective maintenance operations. You can't maintain what you don't know you have. Asset management gives you a complete digital record for every machine: make, model, service history, and more. Technicians can scan a code and instantly access manuals, specs, and past repairs. This speeds up repairs and ensures accuracy. Analyzing asset history helps you decide when to repair, overhaul, or replace. It's about making smart, data-driven decisions. Now they need a specific part to complete the repair. Integrated inventory management tracks every spare part and tool in real time. The system links required parts to work orders and updates inventory automatically. Set minimum stock levels and get alerts before you run out. Avoid costly delays and overstocking. Have what you need, when you need it. Inventory control keeps your operation running smoothly. The system collects a massive amount of data. Reporting and analytics turn that data into actionable insights. Visualize KPIs like downtime, repair times, and PM compliance on clear dashboards. Spot trends, identify bottlenecks, and make data-driven decisions. Use hard numbers to justify investments and optimize your strategy. This is how maintenance becomes a strategic advantage. Finally, let's shift our focus to where the real action unfolds, where the work actually happens. We're talking about the heart of your operations, the factory floor, the plant, the field. Maintenance happens on the floor, not at a desk. It's a hands-on job requiring technicians to be right there with the equipment, diagnosing issues and performing repairs in real time. Your software must be mobile. It's no longer a nice-to-have, it's an absolute necessity. Technicians need full access on phones or tablets. They need the power of your CMMS system right in their hands, wherever they are on the plant floor. Work orders, asset info, parts, and more. Everything they need to keep your equipment running smoothly should be accessible at their fingertips. They can log work, scan barcodes, and upload photos instantly, providing visual documentation of repairs and equipment conditions. Mobile access keeps data current, ensuring everyone is working with the latest information, and eliminates paperwork, streamlining your processes and reducing the risk of errors. It makes your team faster, more accurate, and more efficient, ultimately leading to increased uptime and reduced costs. So there you have it. We've journeyed through the core elements that define a robust maintenance software solution. It's a landscape filled with options, each promising efficiency and reliability. But how do you cut through the noise and pinpoint the perfect fit for your unique needs? 7 essential traits. Intuitive UI, making it easy for everyone on your team to use. Preventive maintenance, to keep your equipment running smoothly and avoid costly breakdowns. Work order management, streamlining the process from request to completion. Asset tracking, giving you a clear picture of your equipment and its location. Inventory control, ensuring you have the right parts when you need them. Analytics, providing insights to optimize your maintenance strategy and mobile access, keeping your team connected and informed on the go. The best software brings all these together in one platform, creating a unified system that enhances collaboration and efficiency. Look past the sales pitch. Focus on these fundamentals. They are the building blocks of a successful maintenance program. Involve your team, ask tough questions, and really dig into how the software will integrate with your existing workflows. And find the right fit for your operation. Don't settle for less than what you need. The right tool empowers you to build a more reliable, productive future. It's an investment in your team and your equipment. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss out. Got thoughts or questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Catch you in the next one.